Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got the Toledo black. This is a TBK90R. Picked these up because I seen someone on the subreddit mentioning that these are available at Home Depot and they're not on the belt list, so I figured I'd get a few and trying to help get them ranked. I'll be using a 25,000 CI covered instruments gentle reach. I think this is 5 or 6 pins. I think it's 6. Alright, 1 is loose. 2, got some core rotation. 3, 4, 5. Got some more core rotation. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just looking for counter rotation. Come on. Just walking that counter rotation back. There we go. Alright, let's get this gutted. See what's in it. And we'll take a look at the key. I didn't really pay attention. We got a low cut on. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe, or is this? It's low cut on 2 and 4. It's a long screw. All right. We do have a nice little anti-drill plate there. Look that up. All right, so there's no. Okay, there is the anti-bypass plate, so it's a nice little feature to have. All right. Of course, I'm gonna struggle with the clip. Get off there. When the clip takes longer than the lock. There we go. I don't know why it didn't want to work other than the camera's on. Really? I'll find that later. Jesus. All right. Let's shim that just to be on the safe side. Okay. Okay, so we did have a 6-pin core. Let me get that. 6-pin core, we do have drill protection. I don't see any, maybe a slight bit, if I can get the light to hit that right. Slight bit of overmilling, but no, I think it's just machine marks. All right. And we'll get the plug, or the Bible, I should say. All right, we had a standard on 1. Bump stop on 2. Spool on 3. Spool on 4. Spool on 5. And I didn't pick it up. There it is. Spool on 6. So, look at that zoomed in. That's super out of focus now. And there you go. There we go. Alright, so we got serrated key pins on 2, 4, 5, 6. These are just the short, basically the key pins are similar to American, where your shortest ones won't be serrated, but your longer ones are. 4 spools, a small bump stop. So you can see it's kind of like almost a T-pin shape. You get those little lips on either end. Then a steel standard on 1. I do like that it has the bypass wafer to stop simple attacks. The thick plate and spinner are nice for actually locking things up, drill protection. So can't be bypassed easily. Somebody have to work pretty hard to drill this out. And the lock body itself and shackle seem pretty good. I'm not sure if this is actually hardened. I'm not going to take a file to it, but if it is in fact actually hardened shackle, then this is a pretty decent padlock for your own security. As far as picking, I would probably put this around like a kryptonite padlock if I have mine. Somewhere here. Yeah, this would be something pretty comparable. So I actually think this has a better drill protection. It has the spinner for the plate, so I would actually pick this over something like the kryptonite. All right, guys, thanks.